This time I wanted to tell you about the different types of guitars, dive deep down into all the features, discuss all the accessories for it, talk about maintenance, but there's going to be just way too much info which would turn the video into an hour one. Instead, we made an introductory video you can discover all about the guitar Wolfram. More precisely, if you are a beginner and just have started to get interested in the topic. So welcome to the welcome to the Tonight Show. So welcome to the channel, click like and subscribe while we're on it. And maybe it'll sound weird, but what is a guitar? Wikipedia says, the guitar is a fretted musical instrument that typically has 6 strings. The sound of the guitar is projected either acoustically by means of the resonant chamber on the instrument or amplified by an electronic pickup and an amplifier. The guitar is used as lead, rhythm, and band instrument in different music genres. Alright, all of that is true, but how do we see the guitar? It's a cult, an art, a way to express ourselves, meditation, a friend, a dream, a muse, philosophy. The guitar has become one of the most popular instruments in the world for a reason. It has lived for centuries. The oldest mentions about the instrument date back to the 2nd millennium BC. In fact, the modern guitar has come through a long way to be here as we know it today. Once the world loved the acoustic, here comes the electric guitar around 1936. It creates a revolution not only among the musical instruments, but in the whole culture in general. And how many genres were discovered thanks to it? All that deserves to give a little of your attention to this instrument and take a look at it from a different angle. Guitars are very versatile instruments. We all agree to categorize them into acoustic. The sound is created inside the body of the guitar. Electroacoustic, same as the acoustic, only you can plug it into an amp. Electric, pickups are amplifying the sound. Hollow body, an electric guitar featuring hollow body. They are all divided into a couple of more types. Long story short, acoustics are classical guitars that have wider neck, nylon strings, and a small body. Acoustic guitars that have thinner neck, steel strings, and different body types. Acoustic bass that have 4 or 5 thick strings and different body construction. Electric acoustic guitars look exactly the same as just acoustics, only they have a built-in pickup so you could plug them into an amp. Electric instruments are electric guitars that have thin neck, 6 to 9 strings, have pickups and can be connected to an amp. Bass guitars, basically it's an electric, but they have 4 to 6 thicker strings and can be connected to an amp as well. And hollow bodies are the guitars that combine the features of the acoustics and their hollow body and electrics with their pickups, which results in a unique sound. But to put all the pieces together, we need to find out about all guitar accessories and all that stuff. Our goal is to show you all the cool things about it and make you feel the guitar vibe, so you have all the confidence when you come to a guitar shop to pick up a guitar or talk about it with anyone, anywhere. So right now we are naming all we know. If we miss anything, comment down below. So, a guitar strap, a cable, a pick, a K-pop, a guitar slide, a bag, a tuner, a metronome, an effect pedal, a combo amp, a head amp, a portable, a cabinet, a guitar chair, a wall mount, and a cleaning solution. We are going to talk more about the accessories in our next videos where we'll explain what goes where. Find the link in the description. So now you know the guitar is a very versatile instrument and it has all different and helpful accessories that go with it. In our next videos, we are going to talk about the types of guitars in greater detail, how to make the right choice, and why accessories are so important. Find the link in the description. For now, click like and subscribe so you can see more of these videos. See you there!